Hi everyone, and welcome to another Bradley Smoker Europe recipe video. Today we're going to be smoking some pork knuckles. We're not making cracking with this cook, so you can take the skin off and go ahead and score the meat. This is to let some of the flavours in a little bit deeper. We're going to make up a simple pork rub, so we're going to use some salt, pepper, sugar. We're also going to have some onion powder, garlic powder and some sweet paprika. Generously sprinkle over your rub all over the pork shanks and just rub it all in, making sure to get in all the nooks and crannies. We're going to put these in the smoker for around 3 hours. They're going to hit about 75 Celsius and they would have got some nice colour, some nice bark and a lovely flavour to them. At this point we're going to take them out of the smoker, we're going to put them in a foil tray. We're going to pour in the braising liquid. We're using a combination of chicken stock and some ginger beer. And then we're going to cover them over with some foil tightly and pop them back in the smoker. At this point, they're going to cook for another 2 to 3 hours until they hit an internal temperature of 95 Celsius. They're going to be fall apart tender. We're sprinkling ours over nachos, but you can serve them however you want. And as always, as the chef, we get to try first. So let's get straight in here. And have some more pork. It's absolutely delicious. Comment below to let us know what you want to see cooked next. Thanks for tuning in, guys.